Welcome back to my backyard snack yard. We're looking at the first of my 4 Saskatoon bushes to be in full bloom. It's so beautiful. You can really see it's related to apples. It's in the rose family, just like apples as well. And I think this is the best it's ever been. I planted it a few years ago. This one is a dwarf and it's called Prince William. And the thing about it is it does need a pollination partner. It's self-sterile. So I have been eyeing up my other Saskatoons over here. For instance, this guy here, he's meant to be a really good pollination partner for most of the Saskatoons. He's called Hollywood. No, it's called Honeywood. Honeywood. Let's have a look at the little tag here. But I don't know. I mean, I've had him for 2 years now and I don't see any flowers on him. So I'm not sure why he's not flowering. Maybe he just needs to get a bit more mature. Maybe some flowers will be coming. We will see. But over here we have another one which has flowered for me before and does produce really nice fruit. And it's just starting to flower now. Thank the Lord. Because then it can cross-pollinate with the Prince William. That's really good. This one produces really lovely sweet berries. I mean, they all do, but this one is known for that. It's called Sleet. And it's also supposed to be a good one to grow in a container, but I did decide to grow all of mine in this little area here so they could all cross-pollinate together. And up here we have my favorite one. It's grown commercially in Canada and it's called Smoky. But it's being a little bit slow this year. I'm not really sure what's going on. This is an aronia berry. You can see some flower buds on that one. But yeah, I'm not sure about Smoky. I hope he fruits because it produces super wonderful big Saskatoons. But time will tell. Either way, I'm really happy that Sleet has come here to the rescue to cross-pollinate with Prince William here. Let's hope for lots of berries. And as soon as they are pollinated and they set, I have to quickly cover them because birds just love them. But right now we can just enjoy them. They're so pretty. So thank you for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.